Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kumatos na ba kayo? Yes, me too. Na-overwhelmed ako. My name is Maria Catherine de Almoranas, 1 year old. And I am graduate in grade 3 elementary school. But don't you worry, I can handle myself. And I am from Barangay Hall. At naniniwala po ko sa isang kasabihan. Thank you so much.
Madness Queen number 16, Amor Arias, Miss Catering. From province of Leyland, 24, with a height of 5'6", and a body of 36, 24, 36. Madness Queen number 16 is Amor Arias, Miss Catering.
Catering number 16, grabe yung mga pasabot at mga pinagkagawa mo on stage. Pinapanood kita.
Candidate number 16, since this is your first time here in Santiago City, batiin mo na sila.
Yes, ayan. Pinabati mo lahat ang nandito. Bumati rin kayo.
Ayan, say hello everybody!
Yes. First of all, I would like to say my answer to this question is self-service. Because my English is separated and assertive. You will adjust my answer, okay?
Kayo na